Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that's been on my heart for quite some time now, and I think some of you might get angry at me, but that's my view, and I really want to talk about that today. So everywhere you look these days, people are obsessed with celebrities and so-called influencers. You look up to them, you mimic how they dress, you treat them like royalty, you listen to every word they say. But if you strip away the bright lights, the massive marketing budgets, and all the camera crews, what are they actually? Now, let's use Formula One drivers, MotoGP drivers. By the way, I love both, and I definitely have my favorites. That's for sure. Or let's perhaps look at a top football player. Okay, especially now that the World Cup is on. When you really think about it, they are just normal human beings who happen to be exceptionally good at their specific jobs. That's it. They drive a car fast, they ride a bike on the edge, or they kick a ball into the net. It takes immense skill, absolutely. I agree, but it's still a job. Yet, we treat them like to possess some sort of secret life, simply because their workplace happens to be broadcasted to millions of viewers on millions of television screens. Now, let's look at the real world. Think about the teller. Yeah, let's use a teller at your local bank branch. Someone who sits there for 8 hours a day, dealing with difficult systems, trying to balance the numbers, and maybe there's frustrated customers, but that person deals with them with patience, respect, and human dignity. In my eyes, that person is a celebrity. I'm using that as an example. They are achieving absolute excellence in their current job for 8 hours straight. But because it isn't a stadium full of people cheering them on, we look right past them. Look at your own life. Okay, let's look at my life. Let me look at my life. I'm a father. I pour my heart, my time, and my energy into making sure that my son and my daughter grow up with a solid foundation, knowing they are safe and loved. I'm not a celebrity. I don't get a trophy at the end of the month. No one is asking me for my autograph when I walk through the street. But tell me something quickly. Which job is actually more important to the future of this world? Driving a race car around the track, or raising the next generation of human beings to be kind, honest, and grounded? I think society is fracturing because we have outsourced our trust to people who are famous for playing their part, while completely dismaying the people who are doing the heavy lifting right next to us, wherever you go. We watch we watch movies in Hollywood. We watch it in the theaters, 4D, IMAX, whatever the case may be. And we secretly get lost in their stories. And outside of the Hollywood, we believe every single word they say. But here's the reality we all need to wake up to, including myself. You are already starring in a movie. It's the movie of your own life. You're the writer, you're the director, you're the main character. Every single morning when you wake up, the camera starts rolling on your timeline. Your family, your children, your colleagues, your friends, they are your audience. Why would you spend your limited time on this earth wishing you were an extra in a celebrity movie when you have a masterpiece to write and to create every single day right in front of you? We can all be influencers. You don't need a blue check mark on social media, Twitter or X, I don't know what it's called, or a million followers to influence the world. You influence the world by how you treat the waiter at lunch, the car guard who's watching your car while you're shopping in the mall, You influence the world by how you handle a stressful situation without losing your temper. You influence the world by showing up for your family when you are exhausted, putting down your phone, and just being present for the people who really need you at that time. Let's stop letting fame dictate who we respect. Let's start measuring people by their character, their work ethic, how they treat people who can do absolutely nothing for them. You don't need the world to know your name, just to live a life that matters. Just be excellent at what you do. Be an elite, be an elite parent, be an elite worker, be an elite friend, be an elite colleague. Play your role with absolute pride. Stop worrying about the people on the screens. They're just doing their jobs. It's time we get back to doing ours and start seeing ourselves as celebrities and influencers. I hope this message landed with you guys in the way I wanted to get it across. Um, Guys, all the best. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and all the best to everybody out there doing their part in society. I hope this message landed. Let's keep it real, and I'll see you guys in the next log. Lekker bly, guys. All the best. Bye bye.